Think fast, Medusa.
Have you lost what little mind you have left? You keep it up, I'ma knock you out in front of everybody.
Well, have you lost your mind? You're still buying cat food for a cat that's dead.
Ooh, would you look at that? All the Easter candy's all 25% off.
Yeah, scoop some up. Maybe it'll take you out a little sooner with your diabetes.
And that's what the medicine's for, Harold.
Now, I can't remember if that car takes that 50-50 Paradude or that purple power.
Now, when's the last time you changed oil in a car? One, you don't even have a car. Two, that's antifreeze.
Here, we can't forget this.
Oh, no, there ain't no room in here for that. You better go up there and get your own buggy.
Boo, 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 boo.